What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my first year on YouTube and the salary that I earned with YouTube AdSense. So I don't really like doing videos like this too often. I don't really like showcasing how much money I make, but for some of you guys out there that are watching who probably want to learn how to make a YouTube channel or are interested in learning, is it actually worth creating a YouTube channel? What are you gonna make with YouTube AdSense? What else can I do with YouTube to make money? What money would you be seeing, or relatively how much would you be seeing with 60,000 subscribers within, for me at least, within the first year? So without any further ado, let's jump right over onto my screen here. Currently I'm at 60,895 subscribers, so almost at 61,000, which is really great. I'm super blessed and happy to have pretty much achieved everything that I have so far. We're here in my dashboard. We can see obviously which videos are my top performing videos at the moment within the past 28 days. So right here you can see the overview. Currently my channel with almost 61,000 subscribers is getting 495,000 views per 28 days. Average watch time hours is, why does it keep showing up, 22.6 thousand. Average subscribers, which has pretty much been dropping, but you can see the average, it's not really too crazy. 61,000 subscribers, you would think it'd be relatively good, like over at least 100 a day, but for me, I hit 103 on April 4th, and since then, and even before then, it's been averaging, I'd say, around 60 new subscribers a day. Estimated revenue as of right now for the past 28 days is $1,666.74. But typically the average day, at least recently, I'd say is roughly $65, something like that, maybe $60. But if we go from, because this is what we're all waiting for, right? What did I make in April last year compared to April now? When I first got ads turned on back in March last year. I believe it was March or April. Let me just go back and check. So let's click lifetime here. And you guys can see, even on this chart, 13.3 million total views, 700,000 hours watched, 60.9 thousand subscribers, and estimated revenue, $22,580 since the channel began. But this is different because I first started getting ad money on April, I believe, 20th, right here. Boom! Let's do it. All right, ready? So we got 60,000 subscribers on the dot, 60.0K, 13 million views, estimated revenue for the first full year on YouTube with 60,000 subscribers, or leading up to 60,000 subscribers, is $21,934.31 with 13 million views. To me personally, that sounds terrible. Like, think about it like this: 13 million people, I'm sorry, or just 13 million views. Doesn't have to be 13 million people. It could have been, one person watched 5 times or something like that. 13 million views only made my channel $22,000. 13 million views. That's nothing. That's nothing. And that's crazy. It blows my mind that that many views only equates to $22,000 for my channel. And I'll tell you why. So let's stay tuned for this. So as you guys can see, the first day, I started my channel back February 21st, 2020. I posted my first self-haircut video a few days later, so maybe by like the end of February, March, early March, you guys can check it out. But it didn't take until about 3 weeks once COVID kicked in, where my videos started to blow up. And this is where you see this massive incline right here at the beginning of April 20th and so forth, and then it just slowly started to drop as the months passed. And then pretty much the average, what is it? The highest I made in one day on YouTube so far is $166.94. And ever since then, you can see it's dropped. It's gone. It went flatline for a few months from June all the way up until November. And then, once November kicks in, that's the holiday time. The ad revenues start to pick up. People start spending more money on their ad budget. So then we start to make more money as creators on YouTube. So just know that November, December, you're probably going to make more money with YouTube ad revenue than you would, the prior months like summer or even spring. Every single week, I've posted one video, at least one video every Saturday morning. So nothing has changed. Even though I've been crazy busy with real estate, deals left and right, clients left and right, YouTube hasn't changed for me. And I would say the same thing for you. If you want to be a YouTuber, you want to make money on YouTube, you want to provide value, have really cool content, you have to keep a job on the side. You have to keep your main job, I should say. So your main source of revenue, keep that, and then do YouTube on the side and build that up slowly over the year, over the next couple of years, whatever it may be, and just really increase your storytelling skills, increase the value you can provide to the whole world. So for me, this is what I've got. You can see the average RPM is a slim $1.70, which is the average, right? Over the past, few months, actually, for I don't know why, $1.70. Yeah, over the past couple months, it's been between $3 and $4. It's kind of dropping, especially in April for some reason, $2. But the RPM is definitely big. You can see during the holidays, come November to January. Look at this, December 30th. December 31st, January. It went from $5 to $3.50, and then it just stayed down into $3. So you can see the RPM dropped a whole $1.50 the second January 1st came. So it's really crazy the things that you can accomplish with YouTube. There's so many different avenues. You can sell some type of merch. You can sell a course just like I do. I cut my own hair, so I sell a self-haircut course. I teach pretty much, thousands of people how to cut their own hair on YouTube, but then I also have a very detailed and specific course that I teach as well for, as of right now, it's $99 on Teachable, so it's on a really good platform that I pay for. You guys can check that out. First link in the description. But, merch, sell a course, provide really good value, you have ad revenue. It can add up to eventually become a main source of income. But when you're first getting started, you're not going to have any income. So really just whatever passion you have, you want to make sure you keep that passion going and put it into video form and just be the best storyteller that you can be. So really, the first full year of YouTube with 60,000 subscribers, I made roughly $22,000 with a mere averaged $1.70 RPM. Which really isn't that great, but if you have a YouTube channel and you're talking about, let's say, finances or stocks or something e-commerce or making money online related, you can probably have an RPM upwards of $15 to $20. So whatever I'm making, this number right here of $22,000, this could have been well over $100,000 to $200,000 if my channel was dedicated to talking about making money and finances and so forth. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys found some value in today's video and really gave you guys some type of perspective on if you want to make a YouTube channel, what type of income are you going to be looking at with 60,000 subscribers. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend or a family member or an aunt or grandma or your pet. Just in case they want to make a YouTube channel as well and make some extra side money. But if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. I post every single week, Saturday morning, whether it's a self-haircut video, a men's grooming video, real estate video, and hoping you guys find the value and fun in my videos as well. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!